What's up, man? We back in this shit. Word. One stop drip shop, unboxing in the bando. Back with some news you could use, you know what I mean? You gotta play ahead to stay ahead in this shit, you dig? So what we got here, man? We got some galleries. Yeah, some galleries, bro. Some black galleries. I should have ironed these bitches. I came up here disrespecting the drip shop, you know what I'm saying? But this is the type of love you do when you're family, you know what I mean? I ain't gotta come up here fronting and shit. Or yeah, but some galleries, man. You know what I'm saying? Watch out for the bogus shits. Let me get y'all niggas all details. So y'all boys watch out for the bogus shits that's out there. Cause I'm sure they bootlegging gallery by now. You know what I mean? I'm sure they bootlegging this gallery by now. Spin these bitches around. I'm out here acting retarded and shit. My bad, y'all. My fault, y'all. But yeah, let me give y'all niggas something. It's a 34. What the? Oh, length. Probably length. Hold on. Yeah, I was about to say, what the fuck? Yeah, y'all. Just keeping y'all up on some, putting y'all up on some game, man. Keeping y'all niggas informed. Word. I don't want y'all niggas spending. I wouldn't want y'all spending $5 on no fake shit. Much less a couple hundreds when you could have saved your money, waited a little bit, got the real shit, you know what I'm saying? And that's what it's all about too, man. Sometimes you gotta stay in your lane till you get there. Like, I wasn't always buying this type of shit, nigga. Like, I had to stay down till I came up, you feel what I'm saying? You gonna have to do the same too, like, just wait your turn, gang. Like, it's there. It's out there for you, you know what I'm saying? Do the right things with your money. This shit is out there for you. But don't go blowing all your money trying to get this shit, man. You know what I mean? Or risking your life for this shit, bro. It's gonna come. Make the right decisions, right choices, you feel what I'm saying? Especially with that money, man. You know what I mean? That's just been a recent message in these videos. Like, I know y'all motherfuckers saying shit, thinking like, oh, this shit easy or whatever. Nah, this shit hard work, man. Staying down, knowing that, yeah, I'm gonna put this work in to get this shit and be smart with the money. Like, and some motherfuckers gonna say this ain't even being smart with the money, buying this type of shit, man. But I say to some of y'all, what y'all like, what y'all spend y'all money on, you know what I mean? But I might clip this video, you know what I'm saying? Cause this shit less informative about the drip. And it's just on some life lesson shit, man. And y'all niggas here, y'all niggas here for the drip, like, word. So let me get that shit to y'all, man. These galleries, gang. These shits are small fucking galleries, flared joints. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, the more you want, man. I got a couple galleries on the page. What more do you want, man? You know what I'm saying? I can't say nothing about these shits that I ain't say already. They changing the game right now. Everybody throwing paint on their shit right now, you feel me? So you gotta shout out to them boys. They came and gave Mary a little run for their money because everybody want to be looking like twins and shit. Alright. But yeah, this is a quick little gallery vid, man. Still in the bando till I'm in the condo. Where I'm gonna start spending all this motherfucking money. Get out the bando to the condo. But yeah, man, we up out here, man. We up out this shit. One stop drip shop unboxing in the bando. Boy, y'all niggas some galleries and shit.